Look in there. Listen, don't burn yourself. Now this is a beautiful place to be, especially when you have your whole beach to yourself. It's a cloudy day and nobody's here yet until the sun comes out. I hear the sizzle, so that means it's doing what it needs to do. Woo! Now I gotta tell you, I know camping is a thing. And people do this all the time. But this is the first time I built a fire and cooked something on it. At the top it's fast, at the bottom it's quiet and cool, even tempered.